It's coming. Still coming.
I'm not saying anything.
Finally, we've done it. We are on the Canning Stock route in our attempt to cross the world's longest cattle route and to take a 46-year-old Range Rover to decide, have modern four-wheel drives got any better?
That Range Rover is like 100 loose rivets flying in close formation.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke, your love life's the old way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to pour. I'll be there for you.
Canning Stock route rules.
Watch and learn. That's cool. Keeps that in the middle of nowhere.
Our Canning Stock route epic is now available to download to keep or stream. Just click the button on the screen.